Hi, I'm Robin Benson. Welcome to Chow Time. There is a very local recipe here on St. Barths that I've had a number of times, and it's a little French roll. And I can tell you these things are addicting. So I have to learn how to make it, and I think I know just the person to teach me. Good. How are you?
Fine, thank you.
You're the king of the galette. Yes.
In Flamand, I am the king of Flamand and the king of the galette.
It's pronounced galette?
Galette is a special...
Or galette?
Galette.
Galette?
Yeah.
Okay, all right.
It's a special we have in St. Barths. You can do that in Paris, in Italy, nothing. You have
so if I go to Paris and I want a galette, they'll say, qu'est-ce que c'est?
It's a special we have in St. Barths. You can do that anything but...
just St. Barths?
Only in St. Barths you have this.
So is this recipe a very old recipe?
Yes.
Very old, like...
normally, yeah. Is
hundreds of years?
About maybe 200 years.
Oh wow!
Or 300 years.
Wow! And
yeah.
Did you learn it from your
family before?
The family before, and the family before.
Yeah, it's a family before.
Yeah.
All the family takes some information when you make this, and all same family take this same galette.
What is the first thing we have to do?
At this time, take a drink before.
Oh!
Yeah?
Sounds good to me!
Yeah? Why you want to?
Do you have any red wine?
Yes.
Okay.
We have.
Red wine? Yeah,
yes.
Rouge et Vert?
Yeah.
Chin chin?
Chin chin.
So far, I love this recipe.
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
Alright, so let's make it.
Yeah?
Yep.
When you want to for about 15 or 20 galettes.
Yeah. Alright. So, step one, dump a bunch of flour in a bowl. There we go.
This will be for about 18 or 20.
Oh.
Yeah. This we have there. Will be for 18 or 20.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, we have to put this. Normally you put 3.
I'm trying to translate the amounts.
for 20 galettes, you can put this on.
Okay.
It's about, you just put the same thing 3. The first one there.
Yeah.
The next one there.
Okay.
And the next one there.
Okay.
Put 3 on me, will be okay. And this we have to...
That's how I measure everything with my hand. Yeah. That's a teaspoon. You sprinkle it.
Now, we just...
With your hands.
Yeah, in mine.
Just carefully mix it around.
In French will be mélange.
Yeah, mélange. Where did you learn how to speak English?
Me?
From tourists like me?
Yeah. The problem, we not speak very English all. We go to the school for this, and when we work at the airport, you have many people coming from America, from many islands.
Yeah.
They speak English. We just put this.
Carefully measured.
Yeah.
So you put enough water in until it feels right.
Yeah, the problem we have, we make this every week.
Yeah.
we have the sensibility for.
You
Yeah.
can just tell.
Yeah.
I might have to practice a little bit with
Oh,
this.
you have to do that.
Yeah, probably.
Yeah, it's not difficult. Okay, at this time we just put this there.
Uh-huh.
We put this one there.
Okay.
We put there on this.
A little more flour.
Yeah. And we have to do that same.
Oh.
Yeah. Okay, and we have to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay,
All right.
now we have to put here
Uh-huh.
again.
Mm-hmm.
Put some on this.
Oh, put some on a plate.
Yeah, we have to do that. And now we have to
But these are pretty labor intensive. So you make them all smooth.
yeah.
You want me to help you here?
Yeah, okay. It's okay?
I don't know. Is it okay?
No, it's okay. You just
Ooh, is that bad?
no, you just when you have this, you just these two, same. They will be closed.
You pinch it.
Yeah. And after you just turn and this.
It
You
takes
say,
it just takes a little practice. So these are done.
Now we have to wait about now it's 6:40, maybe next 15 minutes or 10 minutes.
Okay.
We wait about 10 minutes
All right.
and we make everything on.
Okay, so you're heating up. This is oil, right?
Yeah.
Oil.
We just wait about at this time about 30 seconds.
Yeah.
They will become hot,
Yeah.
and after we just put them on.
Okay.
And we have, I think it will be okay. We have to take this, like this.
Oh, flat.
Yeah, flat before. And after we just put on the first one there. We can put about maybe 5 on. We have the next one.
Okay.
Next one, number 3. Next one, number 4.
And one more.
Another one. Fourchette, prends-moi une fourchette. And the next one, number 5.
Yeah.
There,
Oh.
they will become okay.
That looks
We just
perfect.
turn, yeah.
And that was about 2 minutes you cooked. About 2 minutes.
About 2 minutes, yeah.
Okay.
We can. There's that.
Mm-hmm.
The next one. The next one. And the next one.
And then you cook for another.
Another about, I think about maybe something of 2 minutes. Now is okay.
Is it okay? All right.
You can put
Put them on
on.
the paper towels.
Yeah, the something of this one. Check this one will be. It's okay.
Yeah.
And the next one again is okay. And the next one will be okay.
Whoa. This is slippery. All right.
Okay.
Okay, here we go.
Yes.
I'm gonna split one with you right now.
Oh.
Oh, they're nice and warm. There you go.
Okay.
Chin chin.
Chin chin.
Mmm. They're so tender and chewy, and you can put anything with this.
Yeah.
Sweet, savory.
You can put everything on. It's
Mhm.
very nice.
I love this.
Yeah.
Thank you for teaching me how to make galette.
Yeah.
Yep,
It's okay.
it's okay. You're okay.
You are okay. Yeah, the best. Yeah.